Get rid of underarm odor with one of these ingredients. Underarm odor is very unpleasant, very embarrassing, and is capable of ruining moments. They are usually caused by puberty, tight clothes, hygiene, and so much more. Worst case scenario, using deodorants might not even help you. Good news, several remedies from home could get you rid of these unpleasantries. In this video, we would explore several home remedies. But then, before we begin, please subscribe and click on the notification button to get alert on new content. 1. Alcohol. This might come in handy to eliminate body odor. Applying alcohol to your skin will help close your pores. Rub some alcohol under your arms. It evaporates quickly. You can also mix with some water and rinse your underarms with it. 2. Baking soda. This could be found in your kitchen. You might not have known, but baking soda is an effective ingredient in getting rid of underarm odor. Mix a teaspoon of baking soda with lemon and apply under your arms. It is very natural and not aggressive to your skin. 3. Rose water is another ingredient that could get rid of underarm odor. Apply some under your arm and you are good to go. 4. Hydrogen peroxide. This is effective in eliminating odors and preventing infections. Add a teaspoon of hydrogen peroxide in a small bowl and mix it with water. Apply under your arms and allow for about 5 minutes, then rinse. This would kill all bacteria that cause underarm odor. 5. Turnip juice. This can keep you fresh and odor-free for up to 10 hours. Grate a turnip and squeeze the juice. Apply to your underarms. That's just about it. 6. Lemon contains some acidic properties that help get rid of bacteria that cause an unpleasant odor. It also regulates the pH levels of the skin. Slice a lemon and rub under your arms. You can also mix some lemon juice with water and use it as a deodorant. 7. Do you know tea tree oil contains antibacterial properties? They help fight harmful bacteria that cause underarm odor. Add 2 drops of tea tree oil in a cup of water and mix. Put in a spray bottle and use it as a deodorant. Try out one of these and get rid of that embarrassing underarm odor. Good luck! If you enjoyed the video, please like it and share it. Your contributions are also welcomed in the comment section.